Why do large family gatherings make my AC struggle? Large gatherings add body heat, cooking heat, moisture, and frequent door opening, which can make your air conditioner run longer and cool less effectively. Every person gives off heat, so a crowded room can become warmer even when the thermostat setting stays the same. Cooking adds heat and steam, especially when the oven or stove runs for hours. Showers, breathing, and damp clothing also add moisture, making the air feel hotter because your body cannot cool itself as easily. Each time someone opens an outside door, warm air enters and cooled air escapes. An air conditioner must remove both heat and moisture, so it may need much more time to reach the chosen temperature. A little-known issue is that many thermostats measure temperature in only one spot, so a hallway thermostat may say the house is comfortable while a packed living room feels hot. Before guests arrive, replace a dirty filter, clear furniture away from supply vents, close blinds on sunny windows, and start cooling the house early instead of waiting until it feels warm. Use kitchen exhaust fans while cooking, but turn them off afterward because they can pull cooled air outside. You can also set ceiling fans to rotate counterclockwise, which makes people feel cooler without lowering the thermostat. One common mistake is lowering the thermostat far below the desired temperature, but that does not make most systems cool faster and can cause long, wasteful operation, so choose a reasonable setting and give the system time. Another mistake is closing vents in unused rooms, because this can increase pressure in the ductwork and reduce airflow, so keep most vents open. People also often ignore warning signs such as weak airflow, ice on the indoor coil, unusual sounds, or a system that runs non-stop. Turn the system off if it is icing and have a qualified technician inspect it. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.